All right, now that we've seen how to reveal one section of text at a time on any of your slides that has to have too much text on it, I want to show you a little bit of how that we do this in the back end. So you can see here's my slide, and we're in editing mode. And what you're going to do is I have grouped each of these text sections so that they're all grouped together because I want them each to be revealed at the same time. So we have step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Now to add animation, the reveal animation here, I'm going to go up to my animation tab on the ribbon, and then I'm going to go ahead and click fade. So this fade and appear animation, these are the ones that you'll probably use the most, but if you scroll down here on the down arrow, you'll see all the different animations that you have access to in your slide. Just be careful about using the animations that look a little too distracting for your view. So make sure that all the animations that you have in your slides are really appropriate to the content that you're presenting. So I'm going to go ahead and select this group 1, and then I'm going to click on fade because I want it to fade in. And you can see over here on the timing menu that it says that it's going to start on mouse click, so I know that I want to click in order to start it, and then the duration is set to 0.5 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and set that to 0.25 seconds because I want it to be just a little shorter. Now I'm going to do apply the exact same animation to the next 3 sections, and I can do that by clicking the animation painter. Up here, once this animation is selected, the animation painter is revealed, and you can go ahead and click it, and now you see the little paintbrush icon next to the cursor. Anything that I click now on the slide will have the exact same animation applied to it. So I'm going to do that for step 2, just click it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the animation painter again, click step 3, and the animation painter one more time for step 4. And now all of those different animations, those fade appear animations, are set into my slide. So let's go put it into slideshow mode and see if it works. Here's my blank slide, and now I'm going to reveal section 1 as I click again for step 2, click again for step 3, and click again for step 4. Perfect.